27-year-old Fannie Howard Johnson of Crookston has been charged with felony possession of meth. According to court documents, she was a passenger in a car in Crookston being followed by police. The car drove into a farm field and became stuck. She tested positive for meth use and was allegedly found in possession of a marijuana pipe that also tested positive for meth. She has a previous criminal conviction. And 21-year-old Colton Clothier of East Grand Forks has been charged with felony sale of marijuana in a prohibited zone. According to court documents, police were dispatched to the parking lot of Hardware Hank in East Grand Forks on May 10th for a driving complaint. It led to a search of Clothier's vehicle, where police allegedly found 42 grams of marijuana, a digital scale, with 7 individually wrapped bags of marijuana. Clothier was already facing charges of possession with intent to deliver meth and marijuana on the North Dakota side of the river. And 26-year-old Cortez Rainey of East Grand Forks has been charged with 2 felonies of possession of heroin and meth, along with misdemeanor charges of driving while impaired and driving after revocation. According to court documents, he was pulled over in East Grand Forks on May 9th because the officer knew he had a revoked license. Rainey was already on supervised release, which led to a search of his East Grand Forks apartment where officers allegedly found drugs. And 32-year-old Joseph Ostring of Crookston has been charged with felony possession of meth and misdemeanor driving while impaired. According to court records, he was pulled over on a traffic stop on May 10th in Crookston. A field sobriety test led to a chemical test, which showed meth use. Ostring has several previous criminal convictions. And lastly, 38-year-old Brandon Simmons of Crookston has been charged with felony possession of meth in a prohibited zone and misdemeanor aiding driving while impaired. According to court documents, the charges stem from a traffic stop on April 21st when he was a passenger in a vehicle in Crookston where meth was allegedly found and Simmons admitted to officers he'd been using. I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNews.TV.